Hey everyone. Okay, today I'm gonna make some soil for my seedlings. This is how I make mine. It's worked for me in years past, so I just thought I would share with you guys. The recipe is coconut coir, peat moss, some organic compost, and then just some topsoil or whatever like garden blend you can find at your local big box store. I like this because I plant a lot of tomatoes and a lot of fruit plants, so the peat moss keeps the soil nice and acidic. The coconut coir is good for the seedlings because it holds a lot of water, and the compost actually obviously has a lot of good minerals and electrolytes and stuff in there, like nitrogen, all that good stuff. And then the topsoil is just to kind of bulk it up a little bit so it goes a little further. I kind of sift out the bigger pieces that are in there. So like some of the soil comes with these little sticks and stuff. I mean, I obviously don't put those in there. I sift them out when I do my little plant pots. But that's my recipe. So I this year have decided to put it in like a big tote. These are my totes that this one I couldn't find a lid to. This one's just big enough. So I use the coconut coir. Hold on a second and I'll show you. So this is the coconut coir that I use. It comes in a brick. You have to wet it. I ordered it on Amazon in like a pack of 10. I think I got a pack of 10 for $22. But it comes in this brick. It expands to a lot of coconut coir. Just this here, I don't know if you can see, is 2 bricks. And that's a good amount there in the bottom. So I use this. I get this in Amazon. I just get my peat moss here. This is from my big box store. I like this compost. I'll show you. This is my favorite compost. It says it's just natural is what the brand of it is, and it's organic cow manure. I like it better than the black cow just because I feel like it's a little cheaper. It's organic. I don't know how true that is, organic compost, but yeah, I like this a little more than the black cow, simply because it's a little cheaper and it says it's organic. And then I just use I stuttered out there for a second. I bought just a basic topsoil blend, and I'll use that in here. So I'm gonna get to mixing so I can plant my strawberry bare roots that I just got in the mail. Here we go. All right, got me some good sturdy pots here for scooping. And I've got 2 coconut coir bricks that are already dissolved and broke down in here. It's a little wet in the bottom, so I'll add some extra peat moss, especially because I'll be planting strawberries in little pots. They like the soil acidic. I read that they almost like it's like a 4. Peat moss is a good way to amend your soil if you want like a longevity of acidity. There is like pH up and down that you can use for your water. My husband uses that for his plants. But peat moss is a good way you can put it in your seedlings, in your plant pots, in your holes that you're digging for like grapes and stuff like that, blueberries that like it slightly acidic, and it will work over time, keep it nice and acidic for you. All right, here we go. This is just peat moss. My compost.
Also, this is my mom's hoodie, so sorry, Mom. It's so cozy. But also, it's like a blush pink, and it gonna get dirty. It's gonna get a little dirty. Okay, so 1-to-1 kind of ratio, like all even amounts of everything. I don't know if we can put that on the screen right here. That'd be cool. Is that possible? Then you just get in here and mix with your meaty paws, and you look a little dirty afterwards. I like to keep I stopped biting my nails, so in the wintertime they're nice and long and pretty, and in the summertime they look disgusting. So, okay, so we've got our coconut coir, peat moss, compost, topsoil, all in like an even amount there. And then you just kind of mix together until it holds its form, because it's nice and wet. I'm waiting on my parents to show up. I was trying to get a video in before they came, but you see how this is kind of, it holds its form. Means it's nice and wet. The coconut coir is doing what it's supposed to. So I'll plant my strawberry sets in this here, and kind of continue to sift out all of the long ones that are in here, and get my strawberries in them. And this works for me usually almost every year, so let's hope it works this year too. See you next time.